Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through writing an event invitation letter, a formal yet friendly way to invite someone to a special occasion. Whether it's a company celebration, a community fundraiser, or a professional seminar, an invitation letter sets the tone and conveys all the necessary details. I'll be walking you step by step through the exact structure of the provided sample template. Together, we'll ensure that every component is addressed, using examples directly from the letter to illustrate each section. Let's dive in. Sender's information. Every formal letter begins with the sender's details, which establish who is extending the invitation and how the recipient can contact them if needed. This includes your name or organization's name, followed by your address, email address, and phone number. For instance, the letter starts with your name or organization's name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. Including this information at the top ensures clarity and professionalism, setting a solid foundation for the letter. Date. Next comes the date. This indicates when the letter was written, which is especially important for time-sensitive invitations. Simply place the date directly beneath the sender's information. For example, date December 15, 2024. Be sure to use the appropriate format for your region, whether that's day, month, year, or month, day, year. Recipient's information. After the date, include the recipient's details, their name and address. This is essential for personalization and ensures the invitation feels directed specifically at them. The template shows this clearly. Recipient's name, recipient's address, city, state, zip code. This section reminds the recipient that the letter is intended for them and adds a touch of courtesy. Subject line. The subject line is where you immediately grab the recipient's attention. It should clearly state the purpose of the letter, like this: invitation to event name. This lets the reader know exactly what the letter is about before they even begin reading the main body. Salutation. Now we address the recipient with a formal yet warm salutation. For example, dear recipient's name. If you're unsure of their name, you can use a general greeting like dear guest or to whom it may concern. The salutation sets the tone for a respectful and inviting message. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph sets the stage by sharing the purpose of the letter and introducing the event. It starts with a friendly note, like, I hope this message finds you well. It is with great excitement that I invite you to event name, a special occasion we are hosting, to briefly explain the purpose of the event, such as celebrate our company's anniversary or raise funds for a meaningful cause. This section should convey enthusiasm and make the recipient feel valued, sparking their interest in attending. Event details. The next part is the heart of the invitation, the event details. Provide all the critical information in a straightforward manner. The sample uses date, event date, time, event time, location, event venue, name and address, dress code, if applicable, such as formal, casual, or theme-based. Here, you want to ensure clarity so the recipient knows exactly when and where to be and how to prepare. What to expect. Following the logistics, describe what attendees can look forward to. The sample says, the event will feature engaging speakers, live entertainment, and a networking session. Or we will have a panel discussion on topic followed by a dinner. This description builds excitement and gives the recipient a sense of why they should attend. Focus on highlighting the unique aspects of the event that will appeal to them. RSVP request. Encourage the recipient to confirm their attendance. The sample provides a clear request. To confirm your attendance, please RSVP by RSVP deadline date through provide RSVP method, such as email address, phone number, or a link to an online form. Be specific about how and when they should respond to make it as easy as possible for them to RSVP. Closing paragraph. In the final paragraph, express gratitude and reiterate your excitement for their presence. For instance, we look forward to welcoming you to event name. Thank you for considering this invitation, and we hope you can join us for this memorable occasion. This closing leaves the recipient with a positive impression and reinforces the importance of their attendance. Sign-off. Conclude the letter with a warm and professional sign-off, such as, Warm regards, your full name, your title or role, if applicable, your organization's name, if applicable. This polite ending wraps up the invitation on a gracious note, encouraging a positive response. And that's how you craft an effective event invitation letter. By following this template, you'll ensure that your invitation is clear, engaging, and professional. Remember to personalize the letter to suit your event and audience while keeping it friendly and respectful. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on writing practices. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on professional writing. Until next time, happy writing.